What's up? How are you there? Today, I have a joke. Hope you will relate it. A joke, a thing someone says to cause amusement or laughter, especially a story with a funny punchline. Okay, I start my joke friendship. Why do we tell the actors to break a leg? Because every play has a cast. Joke. Other one. If athletes get athlete's foot, what do elves get? Mistletoes. Why can't your nose be 12 inches long? Because then it would be a foot. The nose is so long because of the it would be a foot. Well, joke. Other one. The past, present, and future walk into a bar. It was teens. Not joke. Did you hear about the mathematician who's afraid of negative numbers? Hell, stop all nothing, avoid them. That's right. Avoid you. I have nothing to do, that's why it makes a joke. A simple joke. I don't know if you smile my joke. Quote jokes. I'm sick of following my dreams. Man, I'm just going to ask where they're going and hook up with M later. People say nothing is impossible, but I do nothing every day. Yeah. What I do every day. It impossible. I'm not superstitious, but I am a little stitious. There is no sunrise so beautiful that it is worth waking up to see it. Nice joke. But it seems you didn't relate me friendship. I finally realized that people are prisoners of their phones. That's why it's called a cell phone. Before you marry a person, you should first make them use a computer with slow internet to see who they really are, right? It means to try who really are. this joke. The only thing worse than being joked about is not being joked about. Not being joked about. My friendship. My joke is not funny. It is a simple joke only. Well, I have uh, I have quotes for you, friendship. This is all for you, my quotes. A friend is someone who knows all about you and still loves you. That's your friendship. Thank you for loving me as you support my channel. Even though sometimes I am worried, but you're still there, who really care about me, who really care all what I did here, and you're always there to support me. For being subscribe my channel and views my videos and like my videos. Thank you so much for doing that for me. It's very big appreciated. Thank you for being friend to me, all you friendship. I wish that you really understand me and my situation, and I try my best to make good videos so that you will like it. But for now, just understand. Hope you're still watching my video. Thank you very much, soul friendship. Thank you very much for all your kind and respect and understanding. That's all. Thank you very much. God bless you all, and I love you all. Bye bye.